If PC Pet Insurance Denmark app. The pros, the cons. The If PC Pet Insurance Denmark app is built to simplify pet insurance management. Many people think it's just for viewing policies, but it actually allows claims submission, premium tracking, and real-time coverage updates. On the pro side, the app gives full access to policy details, including accidents, illnesses, and optional wellness coverage. Claim submission is quick and simple. You can upload vet bills, receipts, and photos directly from your phone. Premium management is easy, with reminders and a complete payment history. Push notifications alert you to claim updates, policy changes, and upcoming payments. Multi-pet support makes it convenient for households with several pets. On the cons side, offline functionality is limited, requiring an internet connection for most tasks. Some users report slower performance when accessing older claims or large documents. Advanced tools like wellness trackers or cost calculators are not included, which could be a limitation for owners seeking more insights. In conclusion, the If PC Pet Insurance Denmark app is a practical and user-friendly tool for Danish pet owners. While it lacks advanced features, it excels in claims handling, premium tracking, and policy monitoring, providing convenience, transparency, and peace of mind.